10 minutes.
Oh, what?
No, because why don't we just go up there and he'll tell us out? I'd rather be on land than out here. I like how there's a flag out here. I'm sorry, Chung.
Well, I'm sorry to let you guys through this.
No. I was just, I wanted to get ahead of any time that may have taken. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, we were just not going in.
He did recommend dropping anchor.
Oh, shit.
Woo! All right.